If you want to become a successful web developer, here is some tips for you. Number 1, keep your code clean. It's very important to write clean code. One of the fundamental principles in web development is keeping your code clean and organized. This is not only make your code easier to maintain, but also enhance collaboration with other developers. Here is some tips for clean code. Using meaningful variable and function names, intending and formatting consistently, removing unnecessary comments and code. Number 2, learn responsive design. Nowadays, your website must be responsive on no matter if it's desktop, laptop, tablet or mobile phone. In our mobile first world, responsive design is crucial. Here is how you can master responsive design. Use CSS media queries, test your website on various devices, learn a CSS framework like Bootstrap, Foundation or Tailwind. Number 3, optimize for speed. Website speed matter for user experience and SEO. To optimize your site speed, consider minifying CSS and JavaScript files, compressing images, using a content delivery network, reducing HTTP requests, implementing browser crashing. Number 4, version control or Git. Version control is essential for tracking changes and collaborating with others. Git is the most popular tools in this purpose. Start by learning the basics of Git commands, using platforms like GitHub or GitLab for hosting your repositories, collaborating with others by forking and creating pull requests. Number 5, exploring new technologies. The web development industry is constantly evolving. Stay up to date by updating or exploring new technologies such as JavaScript frameworks. Nowadays, React Vue is most popular. Backend technologies like Node.js, Python, Django, Ruby on Rails, and so on. Progressive web application and WebAssembly. Number 6, security is priority. Security should be at the forefront of your web development process. Protect your website and it using HTTPS, validating user input to prevent SQL injection, keeping software and libraries up to date, using secure authentication methods. Number 7, debugging and troubleshooting. No developer is immune to bugs and issues. Learn how to debug and troubleshoot effectively by using browser developer tools, reading error messages and logs, seeking help from online developer communities and forums. Number 8, build a strong portfolio. As a developer, you must have a portfolio website. Include a variety of projects that will highlight your skills, experience and versatility. Here you have it, 8 development tips that will help you to become a successful web developer. Remember, practice makes perfect. What do you think about this video? Don't forget to let me know in the comment. Thanks for watching. Have a good day and stay safe. I am Ali Hossain signing out.